Welcome! In front of me is an Honor Magic 5 Lite, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Honor logo, let go of your power button, but keep holding volume up. After a moment, the Honor logo should also disappear, at which point you can let go of the volume up. From here, tap on the last option, Safe Mode, and the device will now boot back up into the desired mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications that come with the device will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, so you can troubleshoot your device. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power button. And this time around, just tap on the restart. The device will reboot and boot back up automatically back into the normal mode. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.